I've been unemployed for about 10 months now. And the last time I worked was August last year. And I didn't realize so much time has passed. And I feel like my thoughts on this video have changed. I feel like there's too much time ukuthi ingabikho into etheni ephathekayo esengiyenzile ngalesikhathi. Kodwa-ke I'll just go through with the video anyway. So the last time I worked was last August, and I just lost my job unexpectedly. Kwenzeka into engingakaze ngayitshela ukuthi iyoke yenzeke kumina. I won't get into that. Kodwa at first I was scared. I was really scared. I panicked. Well, I panicked and I started applying for jobs. Same time, I think I chilled for like a weekend and then I started applying for jobs. Everything that I could find, everything namanga. I was looking for a specific kind of job, something which is related to my field of study, because lo msebenzi ebengiwusebenza bengasiyo umsebenzi engawufundela. Mina, I did film and television schooling. I did internship, I graduated and stuff. Kodwa ngithole sengisebenza as a receptionist at a law firm. The money was not bad, but it wasn't great as well. Kodwa it kept me going, but kuningi engikwazile ukwenza ngayo. So losing even imali encane will surely distract you. It will rattle you, and I was rattled. Ngathi wathi uphela umsebenzi ngiqala ngi-aplayela yonke indawo, ngi-aplayela like video editing jobs nani. Ngikhumbula ngashaya ngisho interview. I also did some ama-test la online, and it's like they took me for a ride bonke labantu lapha. Le test engayenza le eMhlanga ngayifeyila, even though I spent the whole day editing for them. But now we good. Even nakulomunye umsebenzi engikutholela ku-LinkedIn or online, nakhona bethi hayi now we good. So yeah, I panicked. Kodwa I was stuck looking for jobs because ngathi niyona indlela engangicabanga ukuthi ngizoya phambili ngayo, ukuthi okay, angifuni omunye umsebenzi vele cause I'm an employee, right? Iyona indlela engicabanga ngayo leyo. Ngafuna umsebenzi and mningi umsebenzi umuntu ayi-aplayelayo, akayi-aplayela, kodwa nje mncane eyanginaka nokunginaka. Even offered to volunteer kuZalo nakwamanye ama-TV show ashuthwa la eThekwini, kodwa I got no call back. I got no responses. I got no responses to my emails. I think sengizoqala ngokwenza ama-video mase ngiyadla. Angijwayele ukwenza ama-video amade kanje. But anyway, and then I stopped thinking ngaleyo ndlela. I started doing some research. I'll just become a freelance videographer. Ngaya eBay and I bought a second-hand camera, only to find out ukuthi it was a scam. Lo muntu lo engangiyithenga kuyena wasenda into engekho nje, basically wathi khona ipackage esendleleni. Ngalinda ngamaviki kwathi ipackage isifikile lana, kodwa kho package efikile lana. And then I appealed. Khona ka-eBay. Luckily basho ukuthi hayi no, siyarealize ukuthi bekuyi-scam lesi, bangirefund imali yami. Hey, bekuthiwa leyo mali eyabhuntsha. Imagine losing a job bese-ke bayakushaya kanje. So after that, I was stuck. At first I panicked and I spiraled. I started looking for jobs. I spamming applications and stuff. Kodwa, and then I decided to be a videographer. Ukucisha ngiskemeka kwangithusa kona lokho. Kuthi hayi camera yami imali yami cishe yathathwa kanjalo. And then after that, I just didn't know what direction to take ngempilo yami. Ngazama into eziningi. I started doing social media kanjena. Ku-TikTok, I started posting amanye ama-video kwenye channel nje ku-YouTube. Ama-video essay ayenzima kona, kwa-script, kwa-recorder, kwa-editor. Kodwa nje I was doing almost yonke into yabo, trying ukufuna indlela yabo, trying to be something, because even nokuyinyeza kwakusakhona ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi angisebenzi, I'm back living at home. So yonke leyo nto ngayiqala ngokuthuka nangokusaba yabo. Ebese a couple of months down the line khona itokufele bengiyidlala, saqala sangena esinye, yaqala-ke yehla i-pressure manje yabo. Ngiqale ngarealize nami ukuthi kahle kahle anginazo iy'ndleko ey'ngako, ngiyimina nje, anginangane, akekho umuntu odiphendele kumina. Uma uyasebenza, sisi wami uyasebenza, and bengisakwazi ukuthi le ekhaya kube khona imali engiyikhiphayo, ngiqhubeke ngikhokhele i-Wi-Fi, ngikwazi ucontribute nangokudla le ekhaya. So i-pressure yehla, and ama-feelings amaqala akashintsha manje, nemicabango yami nendlela engiyibuka ngayo. I started to see myself as umuntu o-rich yabo, umuntu o-successful, because it's like I didn't need a job yabo. I had all the money I needed and I didn't need a job. So I felt so much in control of my life. Into ekade ngagcina ukuyizwa, kodwa there I was like just chilling yabo. I developed a routine, ngaqala ngabuya ngadlala ibhola futhi manje. It's like i-lifestyle yami yaqala-ke manje yaba fulfilling, and vele i-lifestyle yami was not expensive, it was inexpensive, and I did not have many financial obligations. Even ngisasebenza, njengoba ngisho bengidlala itokufela, ngihlala ekhaya vele anginangane, and bese ngihlukene-ke vele ne-cherry yami bengithandana nayo. So I got my life back, I got control of myself back, I got my time back, and I got time to think ukuthi ngubani mina, ngifunani, impilo yami ngiyibona iyaphi in the next couple of months uma ngiqhubeka nezinto ey'kanjena. And then I quit smoking weed, I quit drinking kancane kancane nje, as much izinto bey'ngashesha le ndlela ebengiyifuna, kodwa kancane kancane bengilokhu ngiyilungisa impilo yami. Njengoba ngisho I kept posting izinto ku-social media, I grew a small following ku-TikTok, like 200 people yabo. That is something, mina, I was grateful for that. I had all the time in the world. I was still waking up early because bengivuka ngishaye insimbi kancane la, bese ngiphume ngiyogijima ngidlala ibhola yabo. So i-lifestyle yami was still fulfilling in a way yabo, in a great way. And then I just decided that I will no longer look for a job. I stopped wanting a job. I started to despise umsebenzi yabo. So many nights or so many days la ngizobona ukuthi izulu liyabheda, namhlanje liyashisa noma liyaduma noma kunjani yabo. I'm so happy. I started becoming very happy that wangiphelela loya msebenzi yabo. And I started feeling guilty for that, ukuthi why am I this happy? Kodwa the more isikhathi siqhubeka, the more I let go of that guilt, because why should I feel guilty ukuthi I don't need le mali ebengiyihola, I need imali yokuthi ngisurvive nje kuphela. And I'm grateful and I'm privileged ukuthi nginekhaya and angirenti, and iy'ndleko zale ekhaya zikhona zona, kodwa ngiyakwazi ukuyibheka mina. Angekho umuntu engike ngathini ngamncenga, ayikabi, kodwa akekho umuntu engike ngamhlupha selongayeka ukusebenza. Akekho umuntu engike ngawumthwalo wakhe, umuntu ongasho njalo ngabe unamanga. So okunye futhi engakurealize, because I had time to think ukuthi ukube loya msebenzi awuphelanga, mina I wouldn't have the courage to walk away from that job, even though I wanted to, because kunini ngicula ukuthi okay, ngifuna ukuqala into yami kanjena yabo. Because vele bengiyizama izinto zaku-social media, and now that I think about it, kunama-video bengike ngikwenze nje ku-Instagram, kodwa I was never consistent with them nabo ngishizoshaya one video ngishiye kanjalo. So I wouldn't have the courage namanje ngabe ngisasebenza khona njengoba abanye besasebenza khona. No shame to them, kodwa mina I wanted to live there, and I thank God ukuthi wangiphelela loya msebenzi. Who knows ukuthi mhlambe lama video lawa, who knows ukuthi where this will take me, yabo. So manje I don't need money. Angisho ukuthi ngi-rich kodwa I still have many months of finances. Khona njengoba ngisho kwangisiza ukuthi ngidlale iy'tokufela ngenza ama-savings nani ngisasebenza. And I thank abazali bami for leyo upbringing yokuba frugal. Njengamanje I have just a handful of clothes that I wear. Iy'mpahla ngigqoka uma ngiya esontweni kuphela. Into engiyigqoka njalo into zami zokugijima ziyajuluka noma ngiyodlala ibhola. And that's about it. Impilo yami, I think the trick is to have an inexpensive lifestyle, and not a lot of people can afford to have an inexpensive lifestyle because abantu baney'ndleko sebayifaka kwizinto abangeke bekwazi ukuyikhipha kuzona. So the strategy manje ukuthi I'm gonna take a swing at it. I'm gonna risk some money. I'm gonna risk some things. I'm gonna take risks now. I think I've had enough time to think and research, and I know what I wanna do now. Angeke ngize ngikusho lana kodwa uma ukuthi leyo nto ayilungi, I can always go back to square one. Yabo, i-pride iyehla futhi nayo. I can always go back to square one, ngiqale phansi ka-Starbucks or wherever. And another thing, I got so many job offers. Selo ngayeka, even though phela bekuyimisebenzi engingayifuni kodwa it's still job offers. Kuma-call center, kuma-retail places. Kuba yilokhu nje, ama-learnership. I've gotten multiple job offers, and omunye umuntu I'm sure ngawafisa ewathathe lama-job offers ngokukhulu ukushesha. Kodwa it's like I'm not there yet. I've worked jobs. I've worked at Starbucks, the Hub. I've even worked in the industry, in the movie industry, which is where I wanna go kahle kahle. Iwona umsebenzi engahamba ngiyowushaya lowo, and lighting or whatever ngingahamba ngiyoyenza. Ngibe intern for years if that is necessary. Kodwa nje life is good. I won't lie. Life is good. I feel rich. I feel like I am out of the matrix. Ngisho ukuthi abantu abayeka imisebenzi kodwa i-tip noma i-advice engingayipha umuntu osebenzayo ukuthi imagine yourself as if like umsebenzi usukuphelele. Like uma ungathatha, because wena usasebenza ngathi kunale mali esangena, uma ungashaya ngathi umsebenzi usukuphelele, yini ongayenza? Leyo nto yenza usasebenza. I think you will have success in leyo nto leyo. Yeah, thank you for watching. I think I'm gonna make another video about this. Kodwa, thank you for watching.